his son, my son's dad is dead, so there's no way that, you know, I could get that information from him. But so he's right there.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Brendan. One of these on up here, they called it red clay. And there was a great big cave-in on the side of this chapel. And people would bring in dune buggies. And they would go real fast and everything, climb these chapels. And then they would jump that big cave-in. And then at one point, Chris, they say somebody went in it.
Oh, I don't know. I didn't know they jumped a cave-in, to tell you the truth.
I know someone has the ridges on the side.
Well, I think that was the turning back there.
The south of Ballsville. I guess maybe a little bigger, kind of spread out. But like 90% of the whole town wiped out. They wiped out.
It was an F4 tornado.
It was an F5.
No, it wasn't.
There's two families, I think. You see the chapels over there?
Yeah, all that shit's chapels. Yeah, that's one of them. That's all leaving.
It's pretty high up.
What you do is you climb up to the top when there's snow on it and get you something, slide down on it.
This is a little town called Carden.
Like,
and our school was Picher Carden Elementary and Picher Carden High School.
This school we went
How come I never went by here anymore?
The school was there, it was untouched. Not even a broken window or no trash or anything in there. But the school and a little housing subdivision on the east side of town. Other than that, everything else was
There was a post office right there, I think, wasn't it? Or a church.
Wiped everything off the map.
But what they didn't wipe out, they sold. Like people sold their houses and stuff. And what is it? Environmental Protection Agency come in and took their houses and stuff out.
These chapels used to be like really big, and we used to climb them all the time, huh?
No, they sold the...
No, they're selling the gravel out.
Yeah, like the houses that have been there for years and like broke down cars out in the yard and stuff like that.
If you take time, I'm going to put 601
by,
South
you can
Cherokee.
see where, like,
That's the one we climbed.
You gonna turn
Tiny one?
Yeah, I'm going to turn up here.
You'd sink before they were sitting flat on the ground.
I swear there's a church still standing somewhere in here.
And people go climb them today?
No, they won't let you on them anymore, hardly.
There's one spots that we went to that one time. Remember last time we went there?
How we can go up there? There's no gates.
That's a trucking company goes in there.
2 minutes.
In 1,000 feet, turn left at West 8th Street.
0.2 miles, turn left, it says.
Ew.
Like yours. We can climb up that one.
Yeah, but those never have been big like that. These were just like little...
There was one over here that we
I
used
see
to
the
climb all the time. And we'd drag a hood up
Take
as
the next
far
left at West 8th Street.
Take what?
Next left at West 8.
I saw
right here.
I saw a little kid's
But this
sneaker.
is-
It's telling you how to get to Cherokee Street.
Cherokee's on up.
I know, but this is just the directions, Dork.
But anyway, we used to take a old car hood and we'd drag it up there as far as we could, and then we'd slide down. And on the bottom, there was a creek, and it was full of ice. It was froze over, so we'd hit that creek, and there was a tree in the
In 1,000
creek.
feet, you will arrive at your destination.
And anyway, the hood would hit that tree and knock us all off. Remember?
Yeah. I remember about running into a tree out in the bottom, too.
The hood would hit the tree. I think it's this next corner.
That's the chapel. Look at it. It's about all wore out and gone. We'd get on top, climb to the top, and the park was on the other side, and watch Bobby and Doug be nosy and snoop on them.
Y'all been nosy since this morning.
That'd be creepy being up there because you'd probably be like,
Is this
okay,
not
I'll
your
do that.
Right
Yeah.
here.
Our house used to sit right here, Brennan, on this corner.
Oh my God, look right there where it's got water all over there, around them trees and shit.
Where are y'all going?
We should have got brought heavier.
Yeah, that's good. Ooh! Hey, Dad, wait up. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Get away from me.
I'm right here, bro.
Are you trying to cross that thing? Ooh, there's a big old tunnel.
It's not a tunnel, that's where it went to the house.
I want
What? Did the house sit right there or what? Yeah. Cause here's like the thing that you walk to the over the ditch.
Yeah, we could cross that if we walk.
I bet they're so lazy they won't even go grab over there. Oh, maybe not.
Don't hit me.
Water.
There's cigarette packages.
Yeah, there should be back there.
This
I
is.
don't remember all this.
I didn't know in here till I was 17.
Oh.
Nana.
There should be a big cesspool back there.
But it should have been.
Oh, look. That wasn't there before that I remember.
There's a big cesspool right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
And we had a walnut tree out here somewhere.
It looks like it's gone.
Nana. Wait on me. She doesn't understand what fun is, that's why. Oh, watch out, Mobile.
Another, a what?
Concrete block. Huh. It's not that big.
Okay. Screw this. I'm cold. I'm going to set the truck.
I don't know if they built the house or not.
Oh! It's cold. We could walk. If you would ever get out, we could walk across there and climb that big old chat pile. They blocked it off so nobody could go climb that. We could go climb that if we walked over there past those slippery blocks. And that would be cool. And oh God, walking again. Oh. Okay.
They just walked outside on the phone and won't make it a house.
Nobody ever drives through here.
No, God.
When this phone comes out here, Mom will be like,
I don't even have to duck down. I just have to walk through.
I'm gonna start sinking right there.
Y'all gotta be careful. Some of the police don't come out here. The tribal.
Are we gonna get arrested?
Nobody's ever gonna get arrested. Probably
Yeah,
be
but
busted.
she forces out if she's a driver.
Yeah,
It don't say posted, no trespassing or nothing.
No, just a big gate right there.
Yeah, big loud gate. It's closed.
I don't care. We lived here before. This is our land too. Oh, but last time it was this one, it was just us. I told them, let's go from the check box. No, it says you can't go with one.
Yep.
It said, no, ooh, what the fuck shit right there?
Probably some human being.
I don't know, whatever it was, it got worms.
No, but you don't know where the cave-in, I thought
Where
was
from the
off
tower?
over there.
I think I left the
No,
door
there
open
was a
so they
cave-in
wouldn't
here, and they filled it up.
What?
It was you,
your
Taylor.
side.
That was Taylor.
No, right there was the cave-in, because you can see stuff in it. This is probably just the jumping site.
Oh my gosh, this would be. I know we could get to a
Maybe
chat
still in
pile.
out there, but
We had a great big cave-in here. They've dumped the trailers over here. We need to go trash can. What is it?
I got it on the inside.
No.
Hey, but Dad, you gotta wait for me. I can't run. Muddy.
They want to come down here and look at trash and then turn around and leave everybody.
What? Oh, it's in here for nothing. No, we can get to a chat pile that way.
Brendan,
So this is the fences they're putting up. Is this one Silas was working on before?
I guess so.
Oh, it's unlocked, so I'm not going in there.
Yeah, don't go in there.
Brendan, this was our football field and stuff.
He's on the phone.
I don't care. He can talk to Johnny anytime.
Oh, you have him and Johnny live in the same town?
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, the pig talk to Johnny anytime on the phone.
I knew that family used to live out there. Go straight, that's where the church was, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There's 3 families. Cause that family, they live in there. They got swimming pools.
Yeah, if they want to fill their swimming pools, they have to bring the fire truck in to fill it.
Are you recording?
No.